Hey, this is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the CreditRepairShop.com. And in this video, I wanted to talk about some comments that we've been getting and also some clients that have finally started getting payments or information removed from Santander. So just to bring you up to speed, Santander got sued and it was probably started in like 2018 or 2017, but it all got resolved in 2019. And they had to pay checks out to people that were like $264, wasn't a big amount. And they also had to pay or had to get negative information removed from people's credit reports. So all Santander information was supposed to be removed, inquiries, uh, the whole account information just removed. And then the biggie, which for me was that some people were going to get their debt forgiven and they're going to get their car title. And then other people who had their automobiles repossessed were also going to get that repossession debt forgiven. And, then they were going to be able to move on with their life, which was real big. So people are making comments and they're saying that they thought that it was fake when they got the check from Santander or from the administrator, and then they said it was real, because they didn't expect it. So what I want to tell people to do once you got that check, and they never had received a postcard. That's why it was so confusing dealing with the Santander settlement, uh, class action settlement, is that Santander was telling people that they were not included and that if you did not receive a postcard, you were not included. Well, we got comments on here from people that never received a postcard, but they received a check in the mail. And now they're asking other questions about what they can do about the information on their credit reports. They were supposed to take the information off your credit reports. They might get to it, or you could be more aggressive, like what we've been doing for our clients, is that you just have to push and get the information, make them remove it a lot sooner. I can tell you that still the process, we're talking about this was settled in 2019 and we're now in 2021, summer of 2021, and people are just now getting restitution or results from that. It is a long process. And like I told everyone back then, is that it is very difficult when you're dealing with the process, especially something like the Santander multi-state settlement lawsuit. It was a very long process, but things are starting to happen. And I told people back then, don't quit, don't give up, just keep pushing, and you will see things happen. There was clients of ours that had gotten settlements where they had said that they were not included in the lawsuit, and they were able to get their car settled. Where they one of the examples where they owed 13,000, and they had Santander had offered to settle it for 3,600, and she was able to get it for 1,300 because she just haggled back and forth. And I had told her you just got to keep going back and forth. And the people who, kept pushing them, their executive team, they were the ones that really got the results fast that they wanted. And now we're seeing some of the people that just didn't give up, but they kept allowing the process to work through. They were getting their checks in the mail and things just getting removed off their credit reports from work that we've done, work that they've done, work that Santander had started to put in the process. So don't give up. So yes, it is real. Santander is giving payments out. Yes, it is real. They're taking information off of the credit reports. And yes, it is real that everything is starting to get resolved from that Santander multi-state lawsuit. And again, the one from credit acceptance is coming down the pike. It's going to take some time, but if you're find yourself in that situation, just allow the process to work its way through. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different. If you can follow our process, we invite you to become a customer. If you cannot, please choose another company. Also, if you need your credit reports and scores, we invite you to go to the website the number three scores.com. The links are also below this video. Look at everything that's on there because that's where everything starts is on your reports, and you need everything, not what the free uh, credit monitoring services get you. Get a paid one. It is worth it. It's like having the fuel to your car. You need it. And if you have problems with debt collectors, I invite you to grab my free letters, the cease and desist collection activities letter, the statute of limitations letter, and the debt validation letter. Those are below here. You can see those links and go and grab those letters. All right, this is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the CreditRepairShop.com. Thank you, and until next time.